I always say that anyone can make time for a good home-cooked meal. This recipe is quick, easy, and it will fit right into your busy weekday schedule. In this video, I will show you how to make a basic but really tasty beef rotini in less than 30 minutes. You will need half a pound of ground beef, a cup of rotini pasta. As you can tell from the greenish color, I'm cooking with veggie rotini today. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Get started by adding the rotini pasta and water to a pot on medium-high heat. The amount of time that it will take for the pasta to boil and become soft enough is the exact amount of time that we need to brown and season the beef, which is roughly 15 minutes. Add the olive oil and beef to a skillet on medium-high heat. Season, chop, and turn the beef until it's completely browned. By now, the pasta should be soft enough to add into the skillet with the beef. Continue stirring the beef and pasta together until evenly mixed. Then add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and continue stirring until the cream reduces and begins to stick to the pasta. This should only take about another 10 minutes. Now you're ready to spend the remaining 5 minutes out of 30 serving this quick and easy weeknight dish. Do you have a favorite weeknight dish? I would love to hear about what you are cooking and eating too. Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.